Get ready for a market shakeup worth $4 billion. The Shiba Inu's value can take a nosedive if something major occurs in the cryptocurrency markets. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inus or own SHIB tokens. How does the most recent news on Shiba Inu coins impact their value? All of this new price-boosting information about Shiba Inus is in today's video, and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. If you want to know all the details, you have to watch the whole video because I spent a lot of time and effort into it. Market research and the latest Shiba Inu prices. After falling 7% in the past day, the current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 1,683 units, with a market cap of approximately $9.9 billion and a 24-hour trading volume of $239 million. This coin is ranked as the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency. These costs may have changed by the time you view the video. We do not provide financial advice on this content. Click the link in the description to join my free Telegram group. In the group, I have made numerous fantastic calls, some of which have returned 10, 20, or even 40 times the initial investment. If you haven't signed up yet, you're truly losing out because the feedback has been outstanding. Come on, let's go into the video for today. To what extent is today's crypto market down? The sale trend is having an effect on the whole crypto market cap, which is led by Bitcoin. Bearish sentiment is on the rise, and June was a month of consistent falls. After seeing $70 million in outflows in the past 24 hours, the entire market cap of cryptocurrencies is now at $2.21 trillion. Recovery prospects are poor, and the stability anticipated around the $2.29 trillion mark was not maintained. As a result of the widely held belief that one should sell in May and then disappear, the market is responding to reduced summer liquidity. There may be a lull in the cryptocurrency market's activity until the middle of the month. If the cryptocurrency market were to make a comeback, the whole market cap would have to rise above $0.220 trillion. Reversal of the $0.29 trillion resistance level into support would be necessary to confirm a recovery. Just lately, the price of Bitcoin dropped below $62,000, declining past the $63,000 support level and leveling off at $62,268. Compared to the predicted 6.5% reduction, this drop was significantly worse. Nevertheless, if Bitcoin is able to regain $63,000 as support, it may try to recover lost profits. With more money in the market, this would allow prices to climb to $65,000 and put an end to any additional downward trends. Another noteworthy development in the market was the sale of CoinShares FTX claim for $31.30 million by the crypto-focused investment firm. A recovery rate of 116% was noted by the corporation on a $26.6 million claim. In addition, BTC Turk, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in Turkey, disclosed a hack over the weekend. Despite the exchange's claims that a small portion of 10 cryptocurrencies' hot wallet balances were impacted, consumers have reported losses totaling over €51 million. It would mean a lot if you could hit that like button if you're still tuning in. It is completely free and greatly contributes to the channel's support. Watch this space for more Shiba Inu news and to see what the future may bring for the Shiba Inu coin. According to new information from Shibaska and the Shiba Inu network has seen a transaction fee spike of 493% in the last 7 days. The interest in Shiba Inu coins has been on the rise due to recent market swings, which has led to an increase in network activity, which is the primary driver of this jump. The charge for making a transaction in the ecosystem's native token, BONE, increased dramatically by 493%, going from 5,865 to 16,337 transactions in just 7 days. The role that these transaction fees play in the ecosystem is especially important for SHIB holders. The ShibaSwap transaction fees are paid for using BONE tokens, which are partially transformed into SHIB tokens and then burned. Burning Shiba Inu tokens decreases their supply and circulation, which could make them more valuable due to their increased scarcity. Burning reduces the supply of SHIB, which, according to economic theory, might cause its price to rise. Prices tend to rise when there is less supply and demand is stable or growing. In general, prices will go up if supply remains constant or goes down. The importance of ShibaSwap in increasing network activity is highlighted by the recent spike in transaction costs. Furthermore, the ecosystem's active management of token economics through burning mechanisms emphasizes its substantial influence on the Shiba Inu market. Investors may have more faith in Shiba Inu's long-term value proposition if this strategy is implemented. At 47 trillion SHIB tokens, Shiba Inu is about to hit the break-even mark, which is a pivotal decision moment. 13,990 plus. Wallets currently possess about 4.177 trillion Shiba Inu coins, according to data from the on-chain analytics platform Inside the Block. Contrary to expectations, this area has the fewest addresses even though it has the largest traffic. Around 4,417 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are stored in just 13,000 wallets. Investors' fortunes are riding on the next move of the asset, but this accumulation around the 0.00017 level is a major turning point in its short-term trajectory. Given the small number of SHIB holders at this price point, the 47.434532 support level may not hold firmly if Shiba Inu prices fall below the 1,700 units price zone. With Bitcoin returning to $60,500, Shiba Inu is also dangerously near to breaking the $1,700 barrier. However, there are 18,115 addresses that own 8.18 trillion SHIB tokens, so if Shiba Inu gets momentum and briefly overcomes bearish trends, it could face resistance in the .0018TO.00019 zone. Over 114,000 wallets possess 67 trillion SHIB tokens, which poses a bigger obstacle beyond this, especially for investors looking to sell their holdings in the 20,300 units range. The plot of today's video will be revealed shortly. With a 50% reduction in open interest in only 1 week, the Shiba Inu reaches a 3-month low. Present market circumstances do not bode well for an optimistic outcome, making the recovery prospects for Shiba Inu owners seem difficult. Under mounting bearish pressure, the price of Shiba Inu cryptocurrency has fallen to a 3-month low, causing investors to watch a retreat. The falling Chaikin money flow indicator, which tracks the supply and demand for cryptocurrencies, is now showing negative sentiment as it is below the neutral line, reflecting the current downward trend. Shiba Inu's open interest, a measure of market sentiment and possible future price movements, has fallen significantly, adding to the pessimism. Open interest counts the total number of existing derivative contracts. Shiba Inu's open interest has dropped from $73 million to $34 million, a decrease of more than 50% in the past week. Many investors have pulled their money out of the market as a result of the precipitous drop in value, which shows a dramatic change in investor sentiment and behavior. Decreasing number of people interested in Shiba Inu is a reflection of the increasing negativity and selling pressure surrounding this breed. With investor withdrawals continuing, Shiba Inu's current price of 1,700 units, far below the important support level of 2,930 units, raises the risk of further fall. If there is no revival in purchasing demand, the cryptocurrency might either stabilize at its present levels or fall much lower below 1,473 units. The price of Shiba Inu needs to rise over 2,930 units before there is any chance of a rebound. With continued gains, it might potentially test the 2,267 unit support level again. Nevertheless, in the absence of such positive indications, Shiba Inu recuperation is probably going to be weak and flimsy, according to the negative thesis. In spite of everything, Shiba Inu fans are completely committed to the long haul, and they're willing to wait years for their money to grow because they believe in the project's creators and the value they can bring to the real world.